We have the Lionel diesel engine, Pennsylvania, and the Lionel steam locomotive, four-wheeler, pulling their cars around. It's going slow around the fuel station there. Now it's picking up speed. There goes the four-wheeler inside. Here comes the diesel engine, Pennsylvania, out of the tunnel. Here goes the four-wheel going inside the mountain. Here comes the diesel. They picked up speed. Now they're moving. I hope everybody enjoys this video. And if you would, will you please subscribe to me? I appreciate it. Have a great day. Thank you.